Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Niamul, your conversion tracking specialist and web analyst. Are you seeing ghost purchases or poor event match quality in your meta ads? Duplicate events and failed deduplication cause significant data loss for your business. Often the native Shopify plugin conflicts with your custom Stape.io CAPI setup. I engineer data precision to fix these technical issues once and for all. We finalize your server-side GTM container via Stape.io for a robust setup. This covers page view, add to cart, and purchase events with total tracking accuracy. I implement unique event ID logic to ensure 100% deduplication. By enriching parameters like hashed email and IP, we boost your match quality scores. This means 99% data accuracy by bypassing ITP and ad blockers. I turn your raw messy data into clear, actionable business insights. Measure, optimize, scale. I am here to help your business grow. If you need this help, message me on WhatsApp. Links are in the description. Alhamdulillah.